Hello my people, welcome to GLAATORY. On my today's video, I'll show you how I made these healthy cookies. This is a very healthy cookies full of fiber and proteins. This is a very good healthy alternative for your snacking, and especially if you're watching your weight. Here I'll be using honey as my sweetener for this recipe. So I'll be adding peanut butter. So if today is your first time you're seeing my video, you are highly welcome. And for my returning subscribers and followers, thank you so much for always tagging along with me. I really appreciate you always doing that. Thank you. And here I added my round oats with chia seed. So 1 cup of granulated coconut. I added crushed cashew nuts, crushed almond nuts, and 1 tablespoon of flaxseed, and 60 grams of pumpkin seed. So I'll be mixing everything to well combine. I added 1 teaspoon of cinnamon powder. So I hope you get to try this recipe. This is very healthy way to make your healthy snacks. You will like it. Here I'm using my round mold for the mold. So feel free to use any mold of your choice, but I prefer to use this round mold. As you can see, this is very easy. Just use any mold of your choice and you're good to go. So remember, if you're seeing my video for the first time, please like my video, comment and share, and remember to subscribe to GLAATORY and follow my Facebook page at GLAATORY Flavors, okay? So please don't only watch and go. Make sure you like my video. Please comment and please share. It has a long way encouraging me on this journey. So now we're ready to bake it for 15 minutes under 150 degrees Celsius. So all done. So I hope you will get to try this recipe. So this is a healthy alternative for your snacking, very healthy. Hope you get to try this recipe. Very easy to make. All you needed are the ingredients you have within your home. So remember to like my video, comment, and please share. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you again on my next video. Bye.